Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we unlock the power of AI automations. Today, I'm thrilled to share an n8n workflow that creates stunning, on-brand logo animations in minutes. No video editing skills needed. Whether you're a marketer, small business owner, or part of our vibrant Easy Mode AI Skool community, this workflow will elevate your branding game. In Easy Mode AI, we share builds like this and connect with AI automation builders who come for the content and stay for the incredible network. Let's dive into this workflow and its powerful tools. We start with the manual trigger node, your start button in n8n. You launch the workflow whenever you're ready to create a logo animation, ideal for a quick social media campaign or professional client pitch. It's all about flexibility. Next, the Your Creative Direction node sets the animation's vibe. You define a dynamic, on-brand style, like a cinematic logo reveal with swirling background elements and a sleek disappear effect. You choose the aspect ratio, horizontal for YouTube or vertical for TikTok, and select the VO3 fast model for quick rendering. You can specify no voiceover to focus on visuals. For example, you might input, create a bold animation for a fitness brand with vibrant energy. This node is your creative blueprint. The workflow then splits into two steps. The Google Sheets node pulls your logo from a spreadsheet called Logo Animation, filtering for rows marked for production. This is perfect for managing multiple logos, like a car dealership organizing brand assets for each vehicle campaign. Meanwhile, the Analyze Image node uses OpenAI's GPT-4o vision model to generate a YAML file with your logo's brand name, color scheme, font style, and a description. This ensures your animation aligns with your brand's aesthetic. These inputs feed into the AI agent node, the workflow's brain, powered by three key tools and guided by user and system prompts. The user prompt combines your creative direction, like dynamic logo animation with a reveal, with the logo's IAML analysis, aspect ratio, VO3 fast model, and no voiceover preference. The system prompt acts as a creative video director, instructing the agent to craft a JSON video prompt for a 7.8-second animation with a 16:9 or 9:16 ratio, null dialogue, and 3 scenes. The OpenAI chat model using GPT 4.1 Mini processes these prompts to generate the JSON. The Think tool reflects and verifies the prompt's accuracy, while the structured output parser formats it into a clean JSON structure with fields like video prompt, caption, and aspect ratio. The Create VO3 node sends the prompt to Key AI's VO3 API using your logo, URL, aspect ratio, and model to generate a professional video with dynamic camera moves like a slow dolly in. After a wait node, about 250 seconds for processing, the Get VO3 node retrieves the video URL. Finally, the Store Output node updates your Google Sheet, saving the video URL and marking the task done, keeping your assets organized for sharing on social media, client decks, or local business ads. Why does this matter? Marketers save hours while delivering pro-level animations. Small businesses get budget-friendly branding. And for our Easy Mode AI Skool community, it's a build you can explore, tweak, and improve. You come to Easy Mode AI for workflows like this, but you stay for the community of creators pushing AI automation forward. Join us by clicking on the link in the description. Ready to animate your logo or share your builds? Set this up in n8n, join Easy Mode AI, and let's geek out over automations together. Drop your next automation idea in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more AI-powered workflows. Thanks for watching.